Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this pair of shoes to go ahead and show you all the details, and that's what I'm going to do. What we have here is a pair of just beautiful, classic, almost timeless, kind of a black patent leather style heel. It's got a rounded toe, as you can see. The cushioning is very, very soft. It's almost like a cloud in there. It's just really, really comfortable. My wife really enjoys these. They're kind of a nice style. You don't see a whole lot of these. This is not something you see normally anymore, but it does kind of add a bit of panache to your wardrobe. You'll see that it does have kind of a little metal button here, and guess what? This clasp actually is somewhat functioning in the fact that you can pull it and tighten it a little bit with this because it's a Velcro enclosure. But it's got the rounded toe. They're very comfortable. She walked around them a little bit. She's probably going to wear them when she goes back to the office next week, but she does really, really like them. You can see they are perfect for kind of a casual weekend. They can go with jeans. You could definitely wear them to work or to the office. They're just a beautiful shoe, and they look really nice. They are a nice, smooth fabric. My wife again says they're very, very comfortable. So yeah, you take a look at that. That is a really, really nice shoe.